These questions have been put together by AI. I'm going to answer them. No AI answers here, AI questions. Are we ready? Right, let's see. Okay. I'm a little nervous because I don't know what I'm going to say. Here we go. Am I really ready for this? Well, you won't know if you're ready for teaching until you get into it. The only experience you have is being in class when you were a school child. So being ready for something is something relative. Question 2. What if I mess up in front of students? You're going to mess up in front of students. You're going to mess up in front of students a lot. And you're going to have to learn how to laugh at yourself. You can't take yourself too seriously. And you're definitely going to mess up. Just make peace with the fact that you're going to mess up. The thing is, there aren't second takes with kids. So they will laugh at you and they will judge you and they will shame. Sometimes they will feel embarrassed with you. But if you're a real person and you say, okay, guys, I messed up, let's start over, they will forgive you. But you have to be real.